Hi, I want to talk today about being your best self. And being your best self, to me, notices the needs of others and what I can give to those others. I have my number one strength is empathy, and through empathy, I saw the need of a student health clinic for Spalding University campus. Myself and a nursing faculty was actually tasked with a space that was originally, the idea was presented to do something with our athletes, maybe advance athletic ability, but quickly we realized that this needed to be a space to provide access to quality health care for all of our students and to be able to empathize with our students that did not have insurance, that had insurance but high copays, or the fact that our campus is located downtown and is not in a good location to be in proximity to a physician's office. So we came together. I pulled together a panel of healthcare professionals on our campus. We had psychology, nursing, and athletic training. Every once in a while, another discipline would show up and show up to our panel meetings and offer some great advice. We had a gentleman come in. His wife was a registered dietitian, and he offered nutritional advice, which was great. We got to have some nutrition pamphlets in the clinic, and through all our brainstorming and data collection, we knew we had to collect data to present this to the administration to where they would buy in and help us start this clinic. We did have buy-in. A few bumps in the road. Our budget was actually, the funding for our budget was cut, but we did not give up, and we actually, myself and the nurse practitioner and a behavioral therapist from psychology, ended up staffing the student health clinic for the first year. Volunteer basis, free of time, all the pre-planning, all of the brainstorming, all the data collection, all of that was done on a volunteer basis as well. And I feel my developer strength helped to delegate some of those duties to some of the other panel members as well, and to hopefully bring out their strengths to where we had such great innovative ideas of what we could do with the clinic, with interprofessional learning. And we did see this even the first year when our clinic was only open one day a week and the rest by appointment only. We did have nursing students and athletic training students collaborating together and seeing patients. Um, Thank you for your time in this quick segment of my biographic sketch.